Welcome everyone! At Saint-Gobain, we are so excited to be an official supporter of the Olympic and Paralympic Games, Paris 2024. And each month of Paris 2024 top stories will highlight our collective engagement for the coming Olympic and Paralympic Games.
On your marks, get set, run.
This fall is around running.
In a world that's moving faster and faster, there's always time to get out and run.
For this first edition, a huge bravo to all who signed up for our first group internal challenge, the Employee Relay. Our collective challenge was to run 1,000 marathons. And guess what? We did it! In less than 2 weeks, thanks to your commitment, an exceptional donation will be made to the Saint-Gobain Foundation.
And that's not all, we have just opened an additional creativity challenge. Here are the first amazing pictures we have received to illustrate our motto, aiming higher to make the world a better home.
Aiming higher!
Alongside the Paralympic Day organized in Paris at the beginning of October, we organized a Saint-Gobain Day around wheelchair football to raise employees' awareness of handisports. Voila, it's already the end of the first edition. And keep on running, we already collectively run around the Earth. So why not try to reach for the moon?
Let's aim for the moon!
See you next month for more top stories.